Hey guys, this is my Burke Rock Star Pro, and I thought I'll take it apart, and why not do it with you guys. I'm taking it apart first of all because I like to show you guys and just to see myself the hidden stop pin here, and because of this. I think Elgatus Piranha already showed this. He also has this knife. This is a really early lockup, so I just had this bad idea of trying maybe just to do a swift grind here on the locking part and see maybe it will just advance the locking section a bit further. Is this a bad idea? I don't know. Let's see. So Torx keys. Let's try to do this fast. I'm not sure if I will keep it like this or I'll just fast forward this. But let's see. The pivot screw on this knife is 440C and it's made in-house by Lee Huntington, I think. And I hope I don't ruin the knife because it has such a smooth action. Just let's see. I'm actually not sure if anything's moving here. Yeah, it's not moving. Let's see the other parts. Or actually it's rotating in place. Let's see this. Oh, this I think is the same size. Dude. This is nice. Alright, this is taken off. And this is now like this, and let's see if I can just hold this in place so I can. Yep, now it's going out. A very small screw actually for the pivot. Right off. Okay. So this is the pivot. Got some oil on it. Let's put the spacer here. Alright. And this is actually got some grease here. And some more grease was here. And you can see the stop pin right here. So basically this is it. And this is where it hides. it will be like this. Yeah, that's difficult to show. Let's clean this a little. I don't know how you guys call this in America, but basically this is the flannel cloth we use in the army to clean our guns with. It's probably called some sort of I don't know what's the name of it. If you guys are not familiar with this, the whole idea here is that these lines are being used actually to measure the size of cloth you need in order to clean the bore of your rifle. So 1.5 stripes is for the 5.56 bore. 2.5 stripes is for the 7.62, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe was it the 9mm? I don't remember. I mainly used 5.56, so yeah, you know, regular Galil and M16. Alright, this is cleaner. There's actually some gunk here inside the rail. You guys can see it. I'm not taking off the pocket clip because there's really no point. The flathead screw here. Okay. And let's try to clean this. This is a lot of gunk. I wonder if this could cause a problem with the mechanism. The way I see this knife built, I trust it will not, because it's well built. Okay, now let's see what we're gonna do with. You can see the detent bolt here, and this is the part of the can't speak. This is a locking liner, frame lock, and it will. I'm a little. I thought originally about taking this file and just maybe doing a very slight work here on this. I'm kind of scared to do this. I don't want to ruin the knife. Yeah, I'm too scared to do this actually. I don't know. The way I know myself, there's a better chance of me ruining the whole thing than just to getting it to work better. So let's try to clean this. And I don't think I'm gonna remove all the grease there is here. I'll keep that. Just and let's look at the blade. It's a great knife. Really is. Let's see if I can put this back together. Just for that. Just remove some dirt. I'm not going to grease it again. If I see that there's a problem with it, an issue, I'll take it apart again. So, you guys are going to be here. You're going to sit here. And this is the G10 spacer. Basically, there's also a version with a titanium spacer. Okay, this is going to be a little tricky. All right. Idiot. Yeah, what can I say? Let's do it with one. Yeah. So this is probably the part I will really fast forward. All right. I'm not using any Loctite. I don't think there's a need. Okay, this is too tight. Yeah, solid. So these were 15 minutes. Probably part of them is now fast forward, so it's gonna be a little less than that. Taking apart the Burke Rock Star Pro and putting it back together.